Hey guys, do you want to write leads that people actually give a crud about and remember after the song is over? Now I'm going to say it right at the top here. I wanted to get your attention with this video title, but it's really important to get this concept if you want to write these meaningful kinds of leads. Obviously the notes of your lead line are important, but if you don't take care of what I'm about to talk about first, it's going to be really hard to write a great lead. But dude, I could do this! Impressive, but as you're about to see in the musical examples I give, you can even write a pretty darn good lead and have it not sound so good because of this thing we're talking about today is missing. So what's this magical thing? Well, it's what the rest of the band is doing. How many times have you listened to a song and the lead came up and it's just over a verse or chorus from the song? It doesn't go anywhere. There's no feeling of a climax, or even if the lead attempts to have one, it just seems to fall flat. And the truth is, most of the time, just borrowing a part from the rest of the song simply won't cut it. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to play the same basic lead twice here, but over two different backing tracks. Let's start with the kind of dull one. Okay, actually I'm going to go totally extreme here and cut and paste that exact lead onto a much more interesting backing track. I hope you felt that difference as much as I do, because a good backing track that actually goes somewhere not only makes the same lead better, but it will inspire you to follow along and write a lead part that takes the listener on a little journey instead of just being some musical condiment for the song. So for my friends out there making music that has a guitar solo in it, or even instrumental music, I want to sum this up in simple fashion. The background music to your lead should be treated like a miniature song within a song. And if you're looking for some great ideas for those lead notes once you do that, try this video that seems to be the one people get the most out of from me. It's a great way to look at the guitar neck. Anyway, I know this topic is for kind of a narrow audience, but I hope it resonates with you guys. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. I do get back to everyone as soon as I can. And until next time, guys, keep making great music.